Mobile cranes have many uses, including erecting steel structures, unloading ships at ports, lifting large objects from ground level to higher platforms, and transferring cargo from one container to another at warehouses. These are also used in other industries like mining, forestry, and shipbuilding. This short tutorial explains and teaches hand signals to control mobile cranes. These are 20 in number and very easy to remember. Crane signals by signal person allow for precise movement coordination. By clearly observing the picture, one can memorize these signals with ease. A crane hand signal person acts as both eyes and ears for the crane operator. This is a weighty responsibility and requires training to ensure that they can quickly and fluently communicate, especially in stressful situations. Accuracy here can be the difference between safety and injury. The tasks undertaken by the signal person are so critical that they are exclusively dedicated to it. Their responsibility is to communicate with lift and crane operators at all times during load movement. Accuracy of operation signals can be the difference between safety and injury. Most critical criteria to be ensured include no use of mobile phones, avoiding overloads, and complete understanding of load charts during work. Although the picture in slide number 2 shows all the hand signals, yet 4 of these are presented in detail in the current video to give you a flavor of how to narrate these to others. Common boom signals are 3 in number, namely: raise boom, extend an arm outward, and point the thumb upward with a closed fist. Lower boom, extend an arm outward, and point the thumb downward with a closed fist. Swing boom, extend an arm outward, pointing with an index finger in the direction the boom should swing. These are separately depicted in preceding slides of this tutorial for benefit of the students. To tell the operator to raise the boom, the signal person must extend one arm horizontally out from the body and signal a thumbs up with a closed fist. To tell the operator to lower the boom, the signal person must extend an arm horizontally out from their body and signal a thumbs down with a closed fist. Instructions to swing the boom are indicated by extending an arm outward, pointing with an index finger in the direction the boom should swing. Stop actions can be normal or emergency stop. These are shown on the screen. Important web links are flashed on the screen. Stay tuned for many new lectures on the subject of safety from Technology Education and Mentoring Center. We are committed to disseminating know-how on safety, health, and environmental conservation for the benefit of mankind. This slide gives a glimpse of the next presentation, describing some of the essential requirements to become a certified signal person for mobile cranes specially used in civil works and erecting steel structures, unloading ships at ports, lifting large objects from ground level to higher platforms, and transferring cargo from one container to another at warehouses. The standard and its requirements for certified crane signalman are flashed on the screen. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and lectures on industrial safety protocols.